You see these success stories online, $1 million brands, perfect packaging, fancy websites. But let me tell you the truth. Starting a business, especially from scratch, is not glamorous. It's painful, it's lonely, and sometimes it breaks you. But if you stay with me for the next few minutes, I will tell you the real truth that no one talks about, and it might just save your dream. Oh guys, people don't start business just to make money. Some of us start business because we are tired of begging for jobs. Some of us are running from poverty. Some are trying to build something they never saw growing up. And sometimes, like in my case, you're building a business because your survival depends on it. You're getting me? In the beginning, you spend more than you earn. You invest your time, your savings, even your peace. You will stay up all night making wigs or building your product, and then wake up to zero. You guys, to zero sales, you know? That's normal. No one tells you that your first 10 customers might come from your own circle or might not come at all. Every entrepreneur meets doubt. You ask yourself, am I wasting my time? Am I even good enough? Should I just give up and get a real job? But hear me, those doubts are visitors. Don't give them a seat. Let them pass through, but don't let them stay. You know? You will need people who believe in you when you don't believe in yourself. Whether it's a friend, a stranger who comments on your post, or a customer who says thank you, hold on to them. And if you don't have that yet, be your own biggest supporter. Cheer for yourself. Are you getting me? So, growth is slow. People think one viral video or one influencer will change everything, but most businesses grow quietly. Every post, every handmade wig, every small sale, it adds up. The people who win are the ones who don't quit when no one is clapping, you know. Someone is waiting. Someone is waiting for your product. Someone is praying for what you're building. Even when no one sees you, God sees you. Keep moving. This business could be the blessing your family never. Your children might eat from this table one day, so don't give up. Don't give up. If this video spoke to your heart, let me know in the comments. Share it with another entrepreneur who needs to hear the truth. And if you're building a business from nothing like me, you're not alone. Subscribe. We are building something real. Love you. So guys, back to business. So let's mix this color pink and color black. So guys, this is color pink, color black in the pretty braids. Guys, we're gonna finish this braided wig twist. We're gonna have it into a blunt cut. We're gonna cut it, guys, into a blunt cut. So, but let's first finish mixing these two colors so that we can come up with our wig, guys. Or before we proceed, kindly subscribe, share this video if it's helpful. So guys, Let's work, let's work, let's work, let's work, let's work, let's work, guys. This week has to be finished. This week we have to finish it this week. So guys, I'm here making these strands as my sister is being planted. They are planting her cornrows. So guys, let's work, let's uplift ourselves. So guys, love you. Guys, did I tell you that this week I'm working on that? Did I tell you that I used my thighs to make the pre braids, which we crocheted on this braided wig? Did I tell you that? So guys, if I didn't tell you that, guys, if you want to see a tutorial for how I made these braided twists, let me see if I can show it to you here. So guys, this is it here when I was starting this wig. You can see it. I was teaching I was showing people on TikTok how to do it. So here they they got me some maize. I had to first eat some maize. Wanji, Wanji papa, mami, mami aja. Olide, olinde ko mami, olinde ko mami wa papa aja. So guys, this is how I started this wig. Yes baby. So my nephew is disrupting me, guys. So guys, let's work, enjoy this video as I was crocheting these pre-braided wigs on this wig cap. Enjoy.